potential, and what will make you happy in life. The one thing that I don't like is जब लोग आते हैं और सिर्फ complain करते हैं. Complaining is not a solution. It's an easy way out. आपने complain कर लिया. You can complain to me, you can complain to Vedika, you can complain to anybody, but solution नहीं मिला उसमें. Solution क्या है? It depends on the situation today. It depends on the state you are in. It depends on external forces. फिर ही एक solution आता है. अगर आप कहोगे कि मुझे घर बनाना है, you don't have the skills to build a house. You're an engineer. You need to know construction क्या है, architecture क्या है, land कहाँ से खरीदोगे, resources चाहिए. So you have to learn कि हर एक life में situation की जो solution होता है, it depends on the situation you're in and the timing. It is not always one way or the other. हर एक चीज जो आज right है, कल right नहीं हो सकती. It might not even be applicable. This show is not about black magic. No, we cannot bring your ex-love back. वो नहीं हो सकता. बहुत लोग होते हैं जो हमारे पास आते हैं कि my boyfriend left me, my partner did this. Is it possible? And my answer is no. Nobody can bring them back. Only you can bring them back if they want to choose to come back. God has given us free will, which means you decide what you want to do. जब भगवान Shri Krishna was talking to Karan, he told him, what do you want to do? I hope you make the right decision and join the right side. Karan had a free will. He decided to do what he wants. Same way, this is not a show about black magic. It is a scientific show. It is a show in which हम आपकी कुंडली पढ़ेंगे, हम न्यूमरोलॉजी की बात करेंगे, वास्तु की. So, modern application to traditional wisdom is what this show is about. ये लाइफ जो है आपकी एक जर्नी है. इसमें बहुत अप डाउन होते हैं, बहुत चैलेंजेस आते हैं, बहुत सफरिंग आती है, बहुत हैप्पीनेस होती है. But the fact is, somebody did a study and said if you find $100, you're happy. But if you lose $5, you feel more sad. So losing that is more memorable, losing that is more frustrating, and that's what life is about. Learn to appreciate what is good for you. कुछ positive देखिए अपनी life में. Don't always think about negative. So with that, we'll start talking about astrology, then numerology, then vastu, then remedies की बात हम करते नहीं कभी. Now we will start talking a little about remedies. कि remedies क्या है, क्यों है, कैसे चलती है. There are many people who are on the fence. हमें नहीं पता कि remedy क्या होती है. Then there are some people कि ये remedy चल कैसे सकती है. So we will answer your questions the best of our ability. So let's start with one topic at a time.
Absolutely, and as you can see, guys, the show is going to be really interested. So stay put, and if you have any question along the way, आप call कर सकते हैं. Studio lines are open, and you can call and connect with Dr. Bhatia. The number is 510-770-1550, or you can always connect directly by calling 408-639-5300. Yes, we can start.
So in life you will face challenges.
जी.
The founder of Alibaba said he had applied to 23 companies and nobody was willing to give him a job. He was sitting depressed at a coffee shop and he came up with this name Alibaba and the fact that he can sell products to different people. जब Jeff Bezos ने Amazon start किया, he was a single man sitting in an office. That picture is very famous. अपने आप उन्होंने coding की. He said he will sell books. It's a matter of circumstances. अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है अभी, there could be a reason. 99% it is the dasha. It is not you. It is the planet that is causing a problem. That brings to the first question, what exactly is astrology? People will tell you it's about predicting your future, it is about learning kal kya hoga, it is about your relationships. It's none of them. Astrology is simply identifying your strengths, your weakness, the timing of challenges that come in your life, and how you will live a better life. Again, it is strengths, weakness, challenges, and timings of those challenges so you live a better life. जो planets है वो कहीं ना कहीं बैठे हैं. They impact your life. That's what astrology is. Let's be very clear about that. बहुत लोग हमें यहाँ पर इस स्टेशन पे भी फ़ोन करके कहते हैं I have so and so योग in my कुंडली, but उस दशा में कुछ अच्छा नहीं हुआ. Astrologers will say तुम्हारा गज केसरी योग है. But what does that mean? थोड़ा explain करते हैं आज. We will explain concepts of astrology, some concepts of numerology, and some concepts of vastu. Let's start with little bit of astrology. Astrology is about two things, timing of events and magnitude of event. So you say, I'm going to go buy a car. आप जाके एक गाड़ी खरीद लेते हो. How many times have you gone and bought 5 cars? Almost never. That is called magnitude, right? Your child gets admitted into a school, good school, better school, the best school, elite schools. Magnitude matters. You win a $5 lotto or you win $1 million lotto. Magnitude matters. If you have cancer, you're going through treatment, you're able to recover most of it, that's magnitude. If you don't, that's magnitude. Astrology ये भी कहती है कि magnitude क्या है. योग जो होते हैं, they simply cause magnitude. अगर योग strong है, planet strong है, magnitude बढ़ेगी. अगर योग weak है, planet weak है, magnitude घटेगी. There are so many rules in astrology which people don't understand. 11th lord जो होता है, he is called a योग staller, a योग breaker. जहाँ जहाँ 11th lord बैठा है, जहाँ देखता है, he is able to essentially destroy that particular योग. 11th lord cannot form a योग, 8th lord cannot form a योग. So if you are telling me हमारा गज केसरी योग है, या हमारा हमसा योग है, या हमारा अखंड साम्राज्य योग है, and उसमें 8th lord is involved, you don't have that योग. It is essentially going to give you no result. So please understand, it is good to have knowledge, but have decent, correct knowledge so you are able to understand your chart carefully. That's what we want to do. लोग आते हैं हमारे पास, my friend is working for so and so company, their stock has gone from $5 to $40. I am still working in the same company, I am better, I am smarter. Then what changed? It is timing. Why did your friend end up there? Why are you here? It is possible you start something tomorrow. Many people come to us, हम कहते हैं don't start a business. Wait 2 years. आपका time नहीं आया. 2 साल कुछ नहीं होता. Learn to be patient in those 2 years. Grow your skills, grow your network, grow your talent, grow your self-worth, grow your confidence. Life will be better for you. So with that, we will, continue, and then we'll talk a little about numerology, Vastu, and so on.
We have a couple of calls. Can we start taking?
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hi, Dr. Bhatia.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Thank you for taking the call. I'm asking for my sister. Her date of birth is 6th December 1962 in Chandigarh.
Okay, and time of
And
birth?
it is 12:05 a.m.
So, सुबह के 00:05.
Correct.
And again, her place, that time was December 6, 1962.
Correct.
And क्या question है आपका?
उसके लेफ्ट आई में मैक्युलर डिजेनरेशन है and she is being asked to take, which is doing an injection in her eye every 4 months or so, and the vision that she has lost, the doctors say cannot come back, but they're trying to stem the degeneration from getting more through the injections. So the question is that what is, from your analysis, the future of her eyesight?
So she has age macular degeneration, AMT है ना उनको?
हाँ, उसको डायबिटीज नहीं है. Yes.
Does she have wet or does she have dry AMT?
She has, I'm not 100% sure which one it is.
Interestingly, I've been doing a lot of reading on AMD recently.
Yes.
Wet AMD is
I
definitely...
think it is best AMD because when I look up the injection that she's getting, which is Iola, it is called Iola injection, उसके description में लिखा है wet AMD.
Wet AMD में there is some leakage in the blood vessels. In dry there is no leakage. So that's the big difference. तो आपकी जो sister की कुंडली बनती है, she is a Leo rising. The planet
Right.
Leo is run by sun. अब आपकी इनकी जो you're saying her left eye is impacted. जब हम female
Right.
की कुंडली पढ़ते हैं, then the left eye is always represented by the second house. The second house lord is Mercury, which is actually badly combust. Okay. Navam's chart में Mercury is sitting in the 6th house, which is house of disease. और इस कुंडली में शनि जो है, he is aspecting the, because of the degree, Shani is aspecting the house, not so good. So what is your key question right now?
So the question is that will she be able to maintain her current levels of eyesight, or will it degenerate more towards blindness?
So I अगर हमें देखना है तो वी विल टेक अ स्टेप बैक एंड सी कौन सी दशा रन कर रही है. शी इज रनिंग वीनस केतु दशा, एंड वीनस एंड केतु इज आल्सो एस्पेक्टिंग हर लेफ्ट आई. सन दशा स्टार्ट होती है 2025 फरवरी में, एंड सन इज कंबस्टिंग मर्क्यूरी कंप्लीटली. अब केतु भी इनके सेकंड हाउस जो आईज है उन पे बैठा है, एंड विल रिमेन देयर टिल एटलीस्ट जून. So I have some bad news that I don't think this is going to get better.
Okay, got it.
I'm sorry,
And,
but no, I don't.
What about the right eye? वो ठीक रहेगी?
No, right eye pe bhi we are seeing there is Mars and Rahu, which indicate some possible surgery, although that time will only come after June or July of this year. But sahi rahegi? I don't think so. No.
The right eye is represented by the 12th house.
Correct, but I don't think it's going to be good because look carefully at her kundli. Mars Rahu बैठा है representing surgery. Navam's chart में also Moon, which is the lord of the 12th house, is sitting in the 12th house, which is house of loss. This is not the right placement. Okay, you go for whatever treatment is out there, but just try your best. Astrology में I'm not sure. The only solution I will have is you cannot make the left eye strong. I don't think there's any hope there. For right eye,
Right.
look for possible scenarios to make Moon stronger. Moon can be made stronger through Pearl. Moon can be made stronger also through any potential positive aspects on this. इस कुंडली में शनि देख रहा है तो no. Just try making Moon strong, which is essentially donating anything white on a Monday, or like rice, sugar, milk. Pearl is,
Okay.
she needs to wear a full-time pearl. But it's not looking very positive जब सन दशा start होगी इनके लिए. Okay.
Okay, thank
Bye.
you.
We have another caller waiting. Hello, you're on air with Dr.
Hello?
Saket Bhatia.
Hi.
Hi, Dr. Bhatia. This is Meenakshi. I want to ask a question about my sister-in-law.
Okay.
So her
Vedika is
name
giving
is
a very big
Sunita.
smile here. We don't have that many people asking about their sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law. This is first, I think.
So her name is Sunita, and her date of birth is December 1992, and 6 a.m. in
Okay.
Patiala. It's like Devi Girl Patiala.
Okay. And what is your question?
My question is, so she completed all of her CA actually classes, only the 4 exams left. And she's trying to clear it, but somehow it's not happening. Like she has, she got married and she has now one son, and I don't know if she would be able to do it, but what's your perspective on that? I would really like to see, what's your perspective if she would be able to
So you're
do it
asking.
or not?
You're asking a very interesting question. आप कह रहे हो कि it's a female कुंडली, and आप पूछ रहे हो कि she has a few exams left for chartered accountancy, and will she be able to do it or not?
Yes.
So I said tricky for a reason. December 19, 1992 सुबह के 6 बजे पटियाला में.
जी.
शी इज अ स्कॉर्पियो असेंडेंट, इसे हम वृश्चिक लगन कहते हैं. इनकी जो मून है, इट इज सिटिंग इन वेरी वेल इन लीब्रा. ओके,
Okay.
सो तुला राशि कहेंगे इन्हें. एंड इनका जो नक्षत्र है वो चित्रा नक्षत्र है. सी आई टेल यू व्हाई दिस इज ट्रिकी. फॉर CA we have to see, CA is not a bachelor's degree, it is not a master's, it is considered a professional degree, right?
Yes.
और ये जो प्रोफेशन है ये 10th हाउस से जुड़ा हुआ है, और एजुकेशन प्रोफेशनल 9 से जुड़ी है. 9th हाउस में असेंडेंट लॉर्ड बैठा है मार्स. वो रेट्रोग्रेड है, बट ही इज ऑल्सो डिबिलिटेटेड. नवम कुंडली में भी ही इज डिबिलिटेटेड, और शनि के साथ बैठा है. रेट्रोग्रेड मीन्स डिले. ओके, नाउ
Yes.
रेट्रोग्रेड मीन्स डिले, बट डिबिलिटेशन मीन्स डिनायल. एस्ट्रोलॉजी में ये भी रूल है कि जहां भी असेंडेंट लॉर्ड बैठता है वो उस घर को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मर्क्यूरी जो बिजनेस का प्लैनेट है, CA का प्लैनेट है, वो असेंडेंट में बैठा है, लेकिन राहु के साथ वो भी डिबिलिटेटेड है. सो टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, योर sister-in-law has only one choice. If she passes this exam between November 2025 and November 2026, she'll be fine. Otherwise, she's not going to be able to do this. She really will not be able to pass. I don't see any possibility at all. 1 साल की विंडो दे रहे हैं, अब कुछ नहीं होगा. You'll really have to wait, क्योंकि अब ना जुपिटर ट्रांजिट में कुछ बेनिफिट दे रहा है इनको, ना some other planet. But try between November 25 and November 26. That's the best shot for her to get somewhere. Okay.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
So we were talking about, we started with astrology.
We started with astrology. कह रहे थे कि योग क्या होते हैं. हर एक कुंडली में योग होते हैं. And yogs define who you are. अगर wealth देखना है तो second house, which is house of money, 11th house, which is house of gains, 5th house, which is house of intelligence, speculation, and 9th house, which is house of luck. अगर ये जुड़ जाते हैं, इनके प्लैनेट जुड़ जाते हैं, we know you're going to be rich and successful. आपको एक क्वेश्चन है, you've heard of गज केसरी योग.
जी.
उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? What does गज केसरी योग mean? भगवान राम का गज केसरी योग था. I can safely say 10% people in the world have गज केसरी योग. उसका मतलब क्या है? Does everybody get a kingdom? No.
No.
Gaj Kesari Yoga means you will be wise, you will be educated, you will have a decent living. आप किसी के आगे beg नहीं करोगे. You will never be in a situation in which you will be in serious debts you cannot overcome. You will always have decent health, decent family life. अब उसकी magnitude क्या होती है वो आपके ऊपर है. तो गज केसरी योग is a wonderful योग to have. Life अच्छी खासी चलेगी, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. Family, बच्चे, पेरेंट्स, हेल्थ, घर, गाड़ी, बंगला. अब किस मैग्नीट्यूड पे वो मिलेगा, वो उस प्लैनेट्स और उस योग की स्ट्रेंथ पे दिखता है. अगर वो ही गज केसरी योग पे बुरे प्लैनेट्स दिखते हैं, देन यू नॉट गोइंग टू गेट दैट योग एट ऑल. वो योग खराब हो जाता है. इनफैक्ट B.V. रमन, अ वेरी फेमस एस्ट्रोलॉजर, once said कि गज केसरी इन्वॉल्व्स 2 planets, मून एंड जुपिटर. तो मून जुपिटर दशा में बेटर रिजल्ट्स आएंगे कि जुपिटर मून दशा में बेटर रिजल्ट्स आएंगे? इनफैक्ट दोनों में नहीं आते. They will only come better based on a set of equations, which is actually scientifically true. We know those calculations. So remember, गज केसरी योग आया और चला गया और कुछ नहीं हुआ. Maybe it is the moon, Jupiter or Jupiter moon which will actually bring you that better dasha. So there are some significant things. Yes.
That is complicated.
I've had many people come and say हमारा केमद्रुम योग है, हमारा मून अकेले बैठा है. What does that mean? Is my life going to be a disaster? Not necessarily. It depends मून की स्ट्रेंथ क्या है. अगर मून डिबिलिटेटेड है केमद्रुम योग में, yes, your life is going to be full of suffering. एस्ट्रोलॉजी ये भी कहता है आपकी पर्पस क्या है लाइफ में. Are you here to lead? Are you here to serve? Are you here to make others happy? Or are you just here to do something which is memorable in life? Mother Teresa did not have money. She did not have any money. She left her family and she took care of lepers, homeless people. Did she have a good life? Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we do that? No. It is not possible for us to do that. Why? Because we are not cut out for it. हमारी कुंडली कहती है हम ये नहीं कर सकते. We are not made for it. So identify what your kundli is, identify what your strength, weakness, challenge is, what makes you happy and what your purpose is. Purpose सीखना है तो राहु केतु समझिए. राहु जो आपका पिछली लाइफ का अनफुलफिल्ड डिजायर था, fulfill it in this life, नहीं तो फिर वही लाइफ में बढ़ते जाएगा. When I see Rahu exalted in people's kundli, they have come back over and over with that same unfulfilled desire. नहीं समझ रहे कि हमें इस लाइफ में ये करना है. Let's make that a purpose. Rahu Ketu, maybe we should discuss that next time.
Definitely. So now can we switch gears to numerology?
You're always interested in numerology.
I am. I think out of all these three, I think numerology, as you said, it's getting more and more popular, but less people know about it. That's what I thought.
So numerology is a very interesting field. जैसे एस्ट्रोलॉजी में योग होते हैं, न्यूमरोलॉजी में भी योग होते हैं. Did you know that? न्यूमरोलॉजी में लोशु ग्रिड्स होती हैं. They take your date of birth and your name और उससे हम एक चार्ट बनाते हैं, like a tick-tock table, you know, with the crosses and this, and we add numbers and then come to know कि आपका कौन सा योग कहाँ बैठा है.
Okay.
It gives us a mental plane, a physical plane, emotional plane, and tells us how strong you are. So let's talk about numerology. न्यूमरोलॉजी में कोर नंबर्स होते हैं. लेट्स मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड सम कोर नंबर्स, एंड मैंने थोड़े से पॉइंट्स लिखे थे.
Okay.
लाइफ पैथ नंबर. डू यू नो व्हाट लाइफ पैथ नंबर इज? लाइफ पैथ नंबर कहते हैं सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट नंबर है. इट इज बेसिकली टेलिंग यू कि आपने लाइफ में क्या करना है. लाइफ पैथ. आर यू बॉर्न टू लीड? आर यू बॉर्न टू बिकम a mother to children that you should just care for? Are you supposed to, take care of others? Are you supposed to, be a team player? Life में आपका true purpose क्या है? That is what life path means. फिर second number आता है destiny number. Destiny number is taken from your, again, there are calculations in numerology. Some are based on date of birth, some date and month, some the vowels in your name, some consonants in your name. So जो डेस्टिनी नंबर होता है, ये आपके टैलेंट्स दिखाता है.
जी.
व्हाट गॉड गिफ्ट टैलेंट्स यू हैव. इन योर केस स्पीच, राइट? योर गिफ्ट इज
I
स्पीच.
guess so.
यू स्पीक वेरी वेल. फिर एक थर्ड होता है सोल्स अर्ज नंबर. सोल्स अर्ज नंबर, इट इज कैलकुलेटेड यूजिंग वॉवल्स इन योर नेम. ये कहता है कि आपकी लाइफ में डिजायर क्या है. यू मे बी अ लीडर, यू मे बी अ गुड स्पीकर, बट आपका दिल अंदर से क्या चाहता है. What is the one thing you've always wanted in life?
Wow. It's deep.
No, I'm not done. फिर आता है birthday number.
जी.
Birthday number is the month. It is calculated the day of the month you were born. This is that one God gift talent you have. So there's a difference between destiny number and birthday number. Birthday number is that one talent that you have, whether it is ability to, logic, ability to take action at the right time, wisdom. Destiny on the other hand was the gifts that you have that you can use. फिर आता है personality number, which is दुनिया आपको कैसे perceive करती है. It's a mirror of what the world thinks of you. Are you friendly? Are you sociable? Are you aggressive? Are you talkative? फिर आते हैं attitude number. आपकी लाइफ में आउटलुक क्या है. And then there is a bridge number, which is basically a correlation between all these numbers. So when we do numerology, we don't do one number. We do all these numbers and more. And we tell you कि अगर आपका life path 1 है, आपने कुछ start करना है. Now your talent is, let's say, engineering, but your life path is 1, but your heart desire is 2, and the way the world perceives you is 8. Then we say start with a friend. And 2 is a partnership number.
Okay.
आपको लीड करना है बट खुद नहीं लीड कर सकते. योर
So you
जॉब
need a
वुड बी
companion.
यू नीड अ कंपेनियन. इफ यू आर ऑलवेज नंबर 6, यू आर yearning for companionship. If you are number 7, you are yearning for spirituality. तो इस लाइफ में आपको क्या चाहिए. जैसे कर्म होते हैं एस्ट्रोलॉजी में, न्यूमरोलॉजी इज ऑल्सो बेस्ड ऑन कर्म. देयर आर कार्मिक नंबर्स 11, 22, 33. कार्मिक लेसन्स है. लास्ट टाइम हमने बताया था 13, 14, 16, 19.
Yeah.
These are karmic lessons. If your date of birth, listeners, falls on any one of these, 13, 14, 16, 19, you will have more challenges than most people will in life. We cannot change that. It is just going to happen. The good thing and beauty of numerology is that numerology is more easy to validate. Right? Just yesterday, I spoke with an individual. He's probably listening on the show, who gave me a demo of a software he's built on numerology. I was very impressed. I have a report he's generated for me here in numerology, and it actually takes the work out of understanding what numerology is. I wish astrology में ऐसा कुछ था. But अब हम क्या करेंगे, जैसे हमने कहा है कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी में व्हाट इज जुपिटर, व्हाट इज मार्स, व्हाट इज फर्स्ट हाउस, सेकंड हाउस. अब हम न्यूमरोलॉजी की बात करते हैं. व्हाट आई वांट लिसनर्स टू नो is if you're having an astrology session with me, we don't just cover astrology. We have to do numerology as well. हमें करना पड़ता है. Because एक होता है आपका character, एक होता है आपकी personality. You're not a complete person without that complete picture. हमें नहीं पता चलेगा. So we may not tell you we're doing it, but we have to do it.
Wow, it's like mapping and then finding the nichode of that. That's what I can visualize numerology is.
So we'll walk our listeners through numbers today. Numbers की significance क्या है? If you want, we'll take a call. You want, we'll...
Yeah, there is a caller waiting. Let's quickly take one. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia. Thanks for holding.
Namaste, Dr. Ji.
Namaste, how are you?
Good. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year so much.
Yeah. मैं अपनी बेटी के बारे में पूछना चाहता हूँ. आप अभी न्यूमरोलॉजी से बता दीजिए क्योंकि उसकी एस्ट्रोलॉजी तो बहुत मुश्किल बनती है.
तो आपको
हाँ.
उनकी न्यूमरोलॉजी रिपोर्ट चाहिए कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी, क्या क्वेश्चन है आपका?
आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज हियर फॉर यू बिकॉज वो आइलैंड सेंट मार्टिन के आइलैंड पे पैदा हुई है तो उसकी एस्ट्रोलॉजी तो आज तक मुझे किसने नहीं बताई है. यू नो दैट्स
Because
द प्रॉब्लम.
we can't find her. So why don't you do one
Yeah.
thing? Why don't we? Because astrology में क्या है, latitude longitude नहीं मिलेगा सेंट मार्टिन का तो इशू हो जाएगा. What is your
Yeah.
daughter's? क्या पूछना है डॉटर के बारे में?
उसको मास्टर खत्म करिए. आई गिव अ बर्थडे. हर बर्थडे इज October 4, 2002.
October 4th.
या October 4, 2002.
Okay.
तो मुझे ये
What is your daughter's full name?
महक करमचंदानी.
MEHAK.
MAHEK.
MAHEK. महक करमचंदानी.
Yeah.
KARAMCHANDANI.
Yes.
And is this her birth name? के कुछ middle
Yeah.
initial था, कुछ नहीं है?
नहीं. नहीं अभी नहीं. She don't put my initial or anything anywhere.
What we'll do is we're going to generate just the numerology numbers for your
Yeah.
daughter so we understand. And what is
Okay.
your question?
How will be her career, her job wise and everything?
So you should take some notes down because this is going to help you. Numerology cannot tell us how her career is going to be unless we get into details about हमें आपकी daughter का year देखना है. We'll have to understand किस year apply कर रही है. Then there is a lucky year and a bad year for her. But आपकी
This year, 2025.
आपकी daughter का so आपकी daughter का life path number is 9. Her birthday number is 4. Her expression
Yeah.
number is 1. Heart desire 1 है. Personality is 9 and maturity is 1. इस साल her personal year is going to be 5. Okay. Now with that, I'm going to go through the show explaining these numbers. So you should basically correlate these numbers with what I'm going to say. तो हम थोड़ा बात करेंगे कि आपके नंबर का मतलब क्या है and then you correlate. That's how you will figure out. However, if in a numerology session it's more like you tell us in advance इस साल बेटी को एडमिशन मिलेगी नहीं, न्यूमरोलॉजी नहीं कह सकती. एस्ट्रोलॉजी कहेगी उसको एडमिशन मिलेगी कि नहीं. न्यूमरोलॉजी will tell us if she gets in how well she will do in her school, which astrology cannot tell us. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you have those numbers. Now after we hang up I'm going to go through some numbers so listeners can understand और आप खुद कैलकुलेट करके पता चल जाएगा आपको. If you don't know, go on my website. वहाँ पर एंटर कीजिए अपना नाम, your date of birth. Place of birth is not required in numerology. It will give you all your core numbers and then based on that check where you stand. आप कहाँ हो, आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हो. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Number 1 in life path or number 1 in numerology is the first number. It's a leadership number. ये number कहता है whether it is your life path, your heart desire, your soul urge. 1 is 1. 1 means I want to lead. Notes कहते हैं natural leader, striving for independence, ambitious, pioneering spirits. They will create their own path. Most CEOs, most industrialists, most businessmen जिन्होंने company start की है and are still leading it are 1.
So the birth date one or the sum of the numbers.
Everything should be 1.
Everything should be one.
अगर 1 हुआ and you missed other numbers, you won't enjoy those aspects in your life. Many people have great careers, but they have a lot of money, but no family life. They're probably missing number 6. No spirituality, they're missing number 7. It is not easy. It's very complicated. कौन सा number कहाँ apply कर रहा है.
जी.
अगर सब कुछ 1 है, you'll be a leader. You're going to be fiery, aggressive. You won't tolerate people. You'll just use them for your advantage and you'll come up. We won't say which politician or which businessman is that, but that is a fact. Number 2 means harmony. These are team players. जो company start भी कर लेते हैं, फिर भी they take secondary positions because they're better at managing other teams. Leaders are not always good managers. Leaders are good at telling you what direction to go to. A strong manager is number 2. They are like a spring. उन्हें जितना दबाओ, they come back. Number 3 is one who's creative, who gives ideas. Many people who work at companies like Bain, McKinsey, they happen to be number 3. They have creativity, they have ideas. Marketing people always have number 3. Think of it as astrology. First house is you. That is number 1. Second house जो wealth values का है, cooperation का भी है. How many people you will feed? That becomes number 2. Third is your ambitions, your hobbies. That is number 3 in numerology. Now we are jumping to number 4 in numerology, which is stability, strong foundation, property. Again, in astrology, it is the same thing. It is your house of emotions, happiness at home, property, wealth. Number 5 in numerology. This happens to be freedom, adventure, change. In astrology, it is all about your mind, sensitivity, intelligence, romance, children. These are people who like experience, creativity. पिछले जन्म की इंटेलिजेंस इस जन्म में आती है 5th हाउस से. Creativity, wisdom also comes from 5th house. Astrology and numerology are tied. In astrology, 6th house is service. How many people will work under you? Forget disease, but it is also service. In number 6 in numerology signifies responsibility and service. If you have number 6, chances are you will focus on family, working for someone, creating a stable environment for yourself. Number 7 in astrology is the exact opposite of you. What you seek in other people, what you want in your partner. Number 7 here symbolizes wisdom, intellect, spirituality. You are drawn to mysteries in life. Number 8 in numerology symbolizes power, abundance, and material success. In astrology, number 8 is other people's money, inheritance. Number 9 in numerology symbolizes wisdom and completion, the end of everything. And number 9 in astrology is luck. So everything in one way or the other is tied. Yes, हमारे पास master numbers भी हैं. 11 is an intuitive person, 22 is a master builder, 33 is a master teacher. Now understand कि ये जो numbers हैं, they are important. अगर आप सिर्फ एक numerology reading के लिए आते हो, then it becomes interesting in terms of this is your strength, this is your life path, this is your talent. ये aligned नहीं है तो आप आगे कैसे बढ़ोगे? Tell me, if you are thinking of starting a business, but you're drawn towards home, you're drawn towards family, you're drawn towards spirituality, how will you do that? Maybe you can combine all of it into. There could be something you can do always. But first figure out the most important reason, why are you here? आपकी लाइफ का पर्पस क्या है? अगर आप उसके बेस पे अपनी एनर्जी चैनल करोगे, you're going to be successful and happy.
Definitely, that does make sense. So when somebody is coming like for an astrological session, so you're saying that numerology is always combined with it
We don't combine by telling you, but we do it ourselves without telling you.
to understanding it better.
हम ऐसा नहीं है कि रेडियो पे when people ask one question हम एक आंसर देते हैं. But in general, if you come for a detailed reading, I need your details in advance. हमें 1 घंटा लगता है just to study your charts. We don't know what you're going to ask. Are you asking health, career, family, children, accidents? क्या पूछना है आपको? आज के बारे में 2 साल बाद, 10 साल बाद, family, father, mother, we don't know. And there are things you are not asking which we think we should tell you. Correct? So we have to look at
Absolutely.
every aspect and then we'll sit and understand a basic picture. हम आपको questions पूछेंगे. Are you working? Are you happy with your career? And agar we get answers like yes, then we see, looking back at the reports, yes, is this person genuinely happy or they're just saying this because they have nothing better to do? Correct?
Right. So listeners, अगर आप कांटेक्ट करना चाहते हैं डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया से, तो either look for the website saketbhatia.com, जहां आपको सारी information मिल सकती है, where you can start by putting your information, creating your own charts, or you can directly call 408-639-5300 for appointment for more information. And if you have any particular question, you can also write to him, info@saketbhatia.com. So we spoke about astrology, numerology. So obviously we are going to talk about Vastu now.
I think Vastu is equally important.
Ji.
I know some people have said it's 33% because while astrology tells you what is going to happen in your life, Yog will determine uski magnitude kya hogi. A lot still depends on you. And you means your home environment. अब हम रेडियो जिंदगी में बैठे हमने एग्जाम्पल दिया था, right? If we turn all the lights off in this room, we can't see. We're going to get uneasy. We won't perform well. Same way, आप जहाँ रहते हो, आप जहाँ काम करते हो, you have to make sure that that place is healthy for you. Many people tell me, Vastu is about energy flow. Can you tell me energy कहाँ flow हो रही है? Well, it's the same as asking there is gravity कहाँ है? Right? There is gravity, we know that. By energy flow, it does not mean that there is some band that is coming in here and flowing. Energy simply means it could be light, it could be wind, it could be space,
The
it
magnetic.
could be earth. No, it doesn't need to be all of that. If you have a house, we always say northeast facing house because वहां से sunrise होता है, right? अगर sunrise होता है, light अंदर आती है, घर bright होता है, you feel good, you wake
Positive,
up.
yeah.
On the other hand, if you're sleeping on, do you know most people who are suffering from depression are, obviously forget the genetics or the mental state, but most of them are also suffering because they are getting up in a dark dingy room. They live in a cluttered house, they have no sense of direction. It is known, it's a fact. The reason is darkness does cause depression. Darkness makes you sad. Brightness, on the other hand, livens your mood. It makes you get up, it makes you do things. There are rules. बहुत सालों पहले साधुओं ने कहा था, खिड़कियां खोलो करो, विंडोज खोलो, the sun purifies the air. It does purify. That's what वास्तु is. वास्तु में कहते हैं आपका जो घर है, the center part of that house is ब्रह्मस्थान, which means that's where energy is created. If the center part of your house is cluttered, आपने सामान फेंक दिया है, then your brain starts getting cluttered. There's a big difference between over tidy people and procrastinators who are dirty. And the simple thing is, आप घर जाओगे, if you put all your jackets in the cabinets, you put your shoes in the cabinet, you keep your house clean, you vacuum, जब घर साफ होता है, you feel good looking at it, you'll feel a sense of energy, and you start thinking of ways you can improve other things. But the minute you start living a very life in which there's dirt, there's clutter, there is no sense of direction, you're not going to progress. It's very hard to do. You know, even people who say ki, I don't have time to clean my house because I'm so busy working, then they're only focusing on their work. They're not growing anywhere else. This is not hard to do. Vastu is very easy. वास्तु कहता है हम घर की ओरिएंटेशन नहीं चेंज कर सकते. Let's make some subtle changes to our house. Let's improve the energy flow. If we have real plants as opposed to fake plants, you will take care of it. Every day you get up, you water your plant, ये बड़ा हो रहा है. It makes you just that 2 minutes of relaxing, watering your plant, trimming your plant gives you energy, and you feel, wow, this is the results of my effort.
Yeah.
Maybe if I put my effort somewhere else, I will do better.
Right.
Vastu is important. Yes, we do Vastu. We don't do like 5 visits a week or something, but between 3 to 4 तो हम कर ही लेते हैं just because हमारे पास time नहीं मिलता. You'll be surprised कितने लोग वास्तु करते हैं. I get so many calls from people asking me, how come you never speak about Vastu? Please speak. We want to learn more. People are calling. I get up at night. One lady told me I looked and the mirror was on and I had some light at the back and I got scared. Vastu ये भी कहता है, avoid having a mirror straight in front of you when you're sleeping because it can hinder your sleep. Vastu कहता है when you're cooking, have the airflow on. It also says kitchen में try using a little darker colors. Why? सामान गिरता है, patches आते हैं. Use dark red color. घर में they always recommend try using in the living room more green colors, light green colors. Why? It gives an impression कि घास है,
Growth, yeah.
growth है. Why do you say कि you must have a patio, water flow? The sound of water makes you relaxed.
Yeah.
That's what Vastu is. It's very complicated. It's beyond the scope of this show. But all I'm trying to say is that if you want to improve your life, you must merge these 3 sciences together. Only then you will understand कि आपको क्या direction चाहिए आगे, क्या करनी है आपको.
It's absolutely logical, although of course complicated, and there are a lot of rules and laws, but it is totally logical. The basic concept, which we can say the wind, the sun, and how we feel positive about teeny tiny things like a real plant growing or a flower blooming, it can change the course of our day.
Vastu is about fire, earth, air, water and space. 5 elements
Elements,
है.
yeah.
Fire simply means the heat in your house. You have to maintain it at a right temperature. Earth is आपने जो सामान घर पे रखा है उसे कैसे रखा है. Water means we want to make sure water का कुछ source हो, fresh water हो, stale water नहीं हो. I've been to so many houses जहाँ पानी pool है, hot tub है and the water is stale, it's green. That goes to show that you yourself are not putting enough effort here. Right? So air, fire, earth, air, water and space. Living space आपने adjust कैसे की है? Vastu is not about हम bathroom तोड़ देते हैं यहाँ just because it is sitting on the left. No, we cannot do that. We don't want you to do that. अगर master bedroom में bathroom है, rule is close the bathroom door. It's not hard to do.
जी.
Clean your bathroom as soon as you can. जब साफ हो सकता है करो. You'll feel better. आपको बीमारियां नहीं लगेंगी.
जी.
Correct?
So we have a caller waiting. Can we quickly
Sure.
take a call? Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia. Thanks for holding.
Namaste, Saket ji. I have a question. This is regarding my son. He was born on 12th May in Connecticut, Norwalk, Connecticut at 12:50. I'm interested in knowing his prospects for his future career as well as marriage.
You're going to have to go little slow. मैं थोड़ा I've lost you on you want to do this for your son. He is born in Connecticut.
Yes.
Which where in
Yes.
Connecticut?
Norwalk. Connecticut is in East Coast.
I know.
So he's born, okay,
So he's born in Norwalk. Okay.
on 12th May
Okay.
2001.
Okay.
And I'm interested, timing is 12:50 p.m. in the afternoon.
12:50 p.m.
Around 1 o'clock. Yeah,
Okay.
around 1 o'clock. And I was interested in knowing his career prospects, marriage, like what's on the cards.
We'll discuss one of them. You want career prospects or marriage, because it will be difficult to do both. One thing about your son's Kundli, again, May 12,
Yes.
2001, 12:50 Norwalk. In astrology, there are certain things हम कहते हैं जब कोई हमारे से रीडिंग करने आता है. When there are no planets in a house, that's okay. But when there are too many planets in a house, that house becomes very important. In your son's
Okay.
case, Jupiter, Mercury, Saturn, these three planets are all sitting in the 10th house, which is the house of career. Okay.
Okay.
His ascendant lord is Sun, which is making a very, 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 very strong Raj Yoga in the 9th house. That's a very good placement. There is only one planet, Shani, which is combust. And is Shani combust? Yes. Combust Shani is going to give difficulty in married life and difficulty in health. Besides that, I don't see any planet, including Venus, which has any weak directional strength. They are not weak at all. Sun exalted है. नवम्स चार्ट में भी अगर हम देखें, Jupiter exalted है. Career wise, your son has no issue. He has only issue in married life and his overall health. Unfortunately, that is the way it is. One mild warning I must give you. Venus is the planet of luxury, which happens to sit in the house of breaks. It also represents wife. And नवम्स चार्ट में we are noticing कि जो Mars है वो भी retrograde चला गया है. Think very very carefully about your son's marriage, because उसकी marriage की दशा start हो रही है. Men get married in Rahu dasha. Rahu Venus, which is 2035, is a very good time for your son to say, yes, I'm going to tie the knot, I'm getting married. Okay. Be careful, because marriage wise it is not looking good for your son. Career wise, I'm not worried. If you want, call.
Sounds good.
We can talk. There is no problem. We can tell you what is going on, or what things you need to do to be careful, and what are good phases and bad phases in your son's life. Okay.
No, this is very helpful. Thank you, ji.
Bye.
So if you need further information, you can always connect with Dr. Bhatia. The number to call is 408-639-5300. Listeners, सुन रहे हैं आप द साकेत भाटिया एस्ट्रोलॉजी शो ऑन रेडियो जिंदगी. And every Tuesday, 4 to 5 p.m. is when you meet Dr. Bhatia on air. info@saketbhatia.com is again where you can write to him if you have any question or if you would like to know more about what we discuss in the show. And saketbhatia.com is the website for all the information. Number again where you can call him directly is 408-639-5300. And we won't be able to take any more calls on air. So you can direct all your questions by directly reaching out to him on his number. So we did cover astrology, numerology, and Vastu. So can we talk a little bit about the remedies which you were about to talk?
We should talk about remedies in a whole show, but अब थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन देते हैं.
जी.
Let's say आज दिवाली है. आप घर जाके पूजा किसकी करोगे?
लक्ष्मी जी.
Why not हनुमान जी?
Because occasion जो है उसके हिसाब से करते हैं.
Okay. हनुमान चालीसा लोग पढ़ते हैं कब? In general they read it. Also they read it जब मुश्किलें आती हैं.
Yeah, or Tuesdays.
Why?
Because that's हनुमान जी का वार.
So who defined that is the question. ये किसने कहा कि हनुमान जी का ट्यूसडे होता है या लक्ष्मी जी की माता की पूजा करते हैं ऑन सो एंड सो डेट, या होली पे हम ये सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? वैसे ही एस्ट्रोलॉजी के भी रूल्स हैं. आप कोई मंदिर जाइए, वेदर इट इज सनीवेल हिंदू टेम्पल, फ्रीमॉन्ट टेम्पल, टेम्पल इन डबलिन, लिवरमोर, वहां पर नवग्रह की मूर्तियां होती हैं.
Right.
What is नवग्रह? These are 9 planets. Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. ये 9 planets हैं.
जी.
इनकी मूर्तियां हैं. सेम वे जैसे आप दिवाली के दिन रात को पूजा करोगे लक्ष्मी माता की कि गिव अस गुड फॉर्च्यून, गिव अस गुड लक. यू आर नॉट प्लेइंग फॉर मनी, यू आर प्लेइंग फॉर गुड फॉर्च्यून एंड लक. बहुत फर्क होता है मनी और फॉर्च्यून में, बहुत ही फर्क है. मनी इज व्हाट इज इन योर वॉलेट. Fortune is, in general, what I'm capable of. Let me get to my full potential. I don't have to beg in front of anybody. हमारी life अच्छी जाए आगे. And does Lakshmi Mata listen? It depends again on many factors, right? Some people say भगवान उसी को देता है जो ज़्यादा पूजा करता है. ऐसा बात नहीं
मन
होती.
से पूजा करता है.
And I think that makes sense. The happiest people who are there are the pandits. The real pandits who believe in God, who sit there every day. It is something which is very difficult for a normal human being to do. जब हम किसी को देखते हैं ठीक है, जब भगवान आपको देख रहे हैं तो your luck is very much better than ours. That's my suggestion.
जी.
Astrology में remedies होती हैं. There is a remedy for every planet. There is a remedy for every house. What I mean by that is अगर आपका शनि वीक है, आपकी प्रॉपर्टी जो घर है लाइफ में लेट आएगा, स्टेबिलिटी लेट आएगी, बच्चे लेट आएंगे, बिकॉज शनि आपका वीक है. अगर जुपिटर वीक है, विजडम लेट आएगा. मर्क्यूरी लेट है, इंटेलिजेंस जो है लेट आएगी. पीपल माइट चीट यू अ लिटिल मोर. अंडरस्टैंड कि कौन सा प्लैनेट वीक है एंड वर्क ऑन दैट. देयर आर रेमेडीज, दे हैव बीन सजेस्टेड फॉर इयर्स. रेमेडीज आर नॉट ये जेमस्टोन पहन लो, ये पूजा कर लो. इट कैन बी अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सो मेनी थिंग्स. इन न्यूमरोलॉजी, many numerologists use crystals. They say, like for example, this number is connected to Jupiter. This number is connected to Rahu. This planet is connected to Earth. We must make you wear wood. We must make you wear a gold chain. We must make you wear a watch of silver. कोई कहते हैं सोने का तिलक डाल दो. मौली भी जो लोग पहनते हैं, that's for a reason. मौली के भी colors होते हैं. Did you know?
Red,
There is white, yellow, red. Red is for Mercury. Yellow is for different planet. White is for
I didn't know that.
Green molly means it has to be strength of Mercury. Molly भी कोई टाइम पे नहीं पहन सकते. There's a certain day, there's a certain time. So you have to understand these are powerful things that are given by our ancestors, जिन्होंने कहा कि ये आपकी लाइफ को सुधारने का एक possible mechanism है. So there are things, remedies जो next week बात करेंगे. We will talk about वास्तु defects, जो आपके घर में problems हैं, उनकी remedies क्या हैं. We'll propose some very quick, easy remedies for you. Numerology में अगर आपका कोई लोशु ग्रिड में नंबर मिसिंग है या आपका कोई नंबर वीक है, we will suggest some remedies for you. Astrologically अगर आपका कोई planet वीक है या आपकी लाइफ में कुछ अटकन है, then we will see how we can make it strong. Remember एक शो पे हमने कहा था, a planet is like a friend. When he is associated with other strong planets, he gets stronger.
Right.
When he is associated with bad planets, he gets weak. The trick is not always increasing that planet, but it can also improve increasing another planet which is looking at that. For example, अगर आपकी मून मर्क्यूरी दशा चल रही है, मर्क्यूरी स्कॉर्पियन के लिए बुरा प्लैनेट है, बट मर्क्यूरी स्टिल बूस्ट मून. तो अगर मून मर्क्यूरी में कुछ है कंजंक्शन या एस्पेक्ट, यू विल बी एबल टू मेक योर लाइफ फार सुपीरियर, फार बेटर, बिकॉज मून वुड बी लॉर्ड ऑफ 9th, मर्क्यूरी वुड बी लॉर्ड ऑफ 2nd and 11th.
जी.
I know we are almost out of time, but to all the listeners, life can be improved. Life should be improved. You should improve your life by doing at least is understanding आपकी कुंडली क्या है, planets क्या हैं. Go to somebody who can guide you, who can give you the right direction, तो आपकी life में growth हो.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for joining us on air and all the information which you provided to all the listeners. And listeners, don't forget to tune in next time. Next Tuesday is going to be really interesting, as Dr. Bhatia just hinted us. We'll be talking about the remedies. So if you know of any remedies or you follow some remedies, you can always call and check and confirm. So yes, we are looking forward to next week, Tuesday's show on remedies. Thank you again.
Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
So listeners, सुन रहे थे आप the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show. Stay tuned. Swati is coming with Cruise Control.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi, KZDG 1550 AM, San Francisco and